Headaches are a common problem affecting people of all ages and backgrounds. They come with a broad spectrum of symptoms, from the dull, persistent ache of tension headaches to the unbearable pain of migraines. Headaches, whether they take the form of tension, migraines, or clusters, have the potential to inflict intense pain, disrupting daily life and well-being. From lifestyle modifications to home remedies, this video will cover the top remedies and strategies to treat headaches. Understanding the root causes of headaches is the primary step in managing and preventing them, rather than solely seeking remedies. Research shows the significant influence of dietary and lifestyle choices on headaches. Factors such as alcohol consumption, caffeine withdrawal, dehydration, inadequate sleep, nutrient deficiencies, and insufficient calorie intake can all contribute to headache onset. Natural remedies for headaches. 1. Quality sleep. Sleep deprivation can cause various imbalances in the body that lead to headaches. Establishing a consistent and adequate sleep routine is a natural way to prevent headaches. Getting a good night's sleep is like giving the body a chance to hit the reset button. Poor sleep quality and insomnia can lead to increased headache frequency and severity. Striking the right balance with 7 to 9 hours of sleep per night is crucial. Both too little and too much sleep can trigger headaches, so finding that sweet spot is essential. 2. Essential oils. Essential oils like peppermint, lavender, and eucalyptus offer relief from headaches. Research indicates their efficacy in alleviating headache symptoms. These oils can be diffused or applied topically, and they can provide a soothing effect. The aromatic compounds in essential oils have therapeutic benefits and can help alleviate headache symptoms, offering a natural and enjoyable remedy. Incorporating essential oils into your routine provides a natural and pleasant way to manage headaches. It also promotes relaxation and well-being. 3. B-complex vitamins. B vitamins play a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis and energy production. Studies highlight the effectiveness of B2, riboflavin, folate, B12, and B6 in reducing headache symptoms. B-complex supplements provide a safe and cost-effective means to address headaches naturally. B vitamins support various bodily functions, and their deficiency can contribute to headaches. Supplementing ensures a steady supply and offers protection against headaches. 4. Cold compress. A simple yet effective remedy, the cold compress reduces inflammation, slows nerve conduction, and constricts blood vessels. Whether applied to the neck, head, or temples, a cold compress offers a tangible and immediate solution for headache relief. The cold helps constrict blood vessels and reduce inflammation, providing quick relief from certain types of headaches. 5. Caffeine boost. Caffeinated beverages, such as tea or coffee, offer more than just a morning pick-me-up. Caffeine's mood-enhancing, alertness-boosting, and blood vessel-constricting properties contribute positively to headache symptoms. Moreover, caffeine complements the effectiveness of common headache medications. Caffeine can enhance the effects of pain relievers and improve mood, making it a versatile ally against headaches. However, mindful consumption is crucial to avoid caffeine withdrawal headaches. 6. Yoga for holistic well-being. Beyond its stress-relieving benefits, yoga emerges as a potent tool for headache management. Research demonstrates the positive effects of yoga therapy on reducing chronic migraines. Incorporating yoga into conventional care significantly reduces headache frequency and intensity. A holistic approach to well-being. Yoga addresses the physical and mental aspects of headaches, making it an accessible and enjoyable remedy for individuals seeking natural relief. 7. Move more, hurt less. Engaging in regular physical activity emerges as a straightforward yet impactful strategy to reduce headache frequency and severity. Numerous studies affirm the positive effects of exercise on migraine intensity, frequency, and duration. Increasing daily steps becomes a simple and accessible way to enhance overall well-being, making physical activity an integral part of a holistic approach to managing headaches naturally.